Hey there, weekend warriors! Ready to transform your home with some easy DIY projects? I've got 10 amazing ideas that'll make your space pop without breaking the bank. Let's dive right in. First up, give your old furniture a fresh look with a coat of chalk paint. It's super easy, and the matte finish adds a chic vintage vibe. All you need is some chalk paint, a brush, and a little bit of patience. Next, why not create a statement wall with peel and stick wallpaper? It's perfect for renters and commitment phobes because it's easily removable. Just measure, peel, and stick. You'll have a stunning accent wall in no time. Third, floating shelves are both stylish and functional. Grab some wooden planks, brackets, and screws. Install them wherever you need extra storage or display space. Trust me, they'll look great in any room. Now how about updating your kitchen backsplash? Use adhesive tiles for a quick and mess-free upgrade. It's a game changer for your kitchen's look and feel. Plus, no grout required. Fifth on the list, add some greenery with DIY plant hangers. You can make them with rope or yarn, and they're perfect for hanging plants indoors or on your porch. Moving on, consider creating a cozy reading nook. All you need is a comfy chair, some pillows, and a good lamp. Add a small bookshelf or floating shelves for your favorite reads. Instant relaxation spot. Seventh, upgrade your lighting with DIY pendant lights. You can make them from baskets, jars, or even colanders. Just add a light kit and you're good to go. It's an easy way to personalize your space. Number 8, try a DIY headboard for your bed. Use reclaimed wood, fabric, or even an old door. The possibilities are endless and it'll give your bedroom a unique focal point. Ninth, create custom wall art. Whether it's a gallery wall with framed prints or a canvas with your own painting, personalizing your walls is a great way to express your style. And finally, build a DIY coffee table. Use wood pallets, crates, or even an old window frame. It's a fun project that'll add a unique touch to your living room. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your tools and get started on these easy DIY projects. Your home will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more amazing DIY ideas. See you next time. Gordy goes.